Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Chevy Cruze. Stock number is A7494. Right away up front you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Firestone tires. Inside, cloth interior. The two-tone cloth does add a sharp feel. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, Cruze, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Cruze on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.